what are you doing?
I'm doing my early stack here. It's so hard to finish.
Hey, what about we mix to the group and then we invite someone else?
I don't disagree with that.
Why don't you agree?
Amel, this is a personal assessment. Mr. Anis gave this to us to do independently.
So, what are you going to do to finish that assignment?
We could probably use Google for that.
I think you're right about that. First, this is a personal assignment. Second, we could use Google.
What do you think about Google?
I think Google is a place for us to look for answers that we don't know.
Okay.